Good morning student. Today we will know about different type of exercise of Roman numerals. आज हम different types जो Roman numerals की exercise हैं उनकी practice करेंगे. Then you have to see first compare these Roman numerals by putting these signs. हमको इन साइंस का यूज करके इन रोमन न्यूमरल्स की जो सम है वी हैव टू कंपेयर दीज. यू कैन सी हियर फर्स्ट आई रोट हियर वी आई. वी हैव टू फिल दिस बॉक्स विद द साइन दिस एंड वी आई आई. नाउ वी हैव टू कंपेयर दीज टू Roman numerals. You can see here VI means 6, 5, 1, 6 and VII means 7. The which number will be greater? This Roman numeral will be greater. So we will put this sign here. 6 is less than from 7. The number is here 6 and it is here 7. So we will put the sign like that. The another one I have taken this x blank n. Previously I told to you x means 20. This x for 10, this x for 10, both are will be 20 and this L for stand 50. The number will be greater L. Which number will be greater? L. So we have to put the sign like that. 20 is less than from 50. The number will be 20 and the number L for 50. You can see here which number will be greater? L. L for 50 will be greater from 20. In third one you can see X, L, V. We have to fill this sign with the sign of this comparison X, V. Now tell me what is this number in Roman numerals. X, L means 40 and V means 5. The number is 45 and then X 10 plus 5 number is 25. You can see which number is greater? 45. So we have to put sign like that. 45 is greater than from 25. Now another exercise I am taken. Compare with sign in Roman exercise को हमको इन sign को यूज करके complete करना है. Then what I have written here? 4 plus 2 blank X L I. First we have to convert in numbers. What number we wrote here? We can see here 4 2 means we have to complete 4 2 means 6. 4 and 2 6 and this number is XL means 40. 1 I for 1. The number is 41 and 2. 40, 41, 42. The number is here 42. Then which sign we have to put there? This one. Means 6 is lesser than from 42. Now another one we can see here. C 50. You know for what C stands? C also 100. C stands for 100. C कितना होता है? C means 100. You can downside write the number 100 and it is number 50. So we have to put the sign like that. Means C is greater than from 50. C for 100 तो जो हमारा 100 नंबर है वो 50 50 से ग्रेटर होगा, सो वी हैव टू कंपेयर लाइक दैट C greater than from 50. Another we can take here 30 minus 20 blank x. First you have to solve this sum. आपको सबसे पहले इस सम को सॉल्व करना है. Then 30 minus 20, the answer will be 10. 30 minus 20, 30 में से 20 को सेपरेट किया, आंसर है हमारा 10. एंड हियर इज इट राइट x for 10. इधर x है, x means 10. This also 10. So both side the number is 10 and 10. The number will be equal. 30 minus 20. First we solve this sum. सबसे पहले हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. Then the answer will be 10. Here also 10. So both are equal. So we have to put the sign of equal. And another sum you can see here. 16 minus 10. We have to fill the sign here. And this one. You can see here. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस. सबसे पहले हमको इस सम को सॉल्व करना है. तो 16 में से हम 10 को सेपरेट करना है. देन व्हाट वी विल गेट हियर 6. वी गेट द नंबर 6 एंड हियर 10 plus 5. The number is 15. It is written on Roman numerals. 10 plus 5 15. You can see easily here which number is greater. 15. This number is greater. So we have to put the sign like that. Another example we are taking here. हम एक दूसरा एग्जाम्पल और देखते हैं. थर्टी प्लस 4. You can see here 13 plus 4. First we have to solve. सबसे पहले हम इस नंबर को ऐड करेंगे. We have to add this number. 13 plus 4 17. Now this blank here. Now this number you can see here x for 10 and here 5 6 7. X for 10 and 7 means 70. You can see both are equal. So we have to put the sign of equal. Now you have to write answer in Roman numerals. Some exercise I write here. You have to write their answer in Roman numerals. जो sums लिखे हुए हैं उनके आंसर आपको Roman numerals में देना है. Example 8 multiplied by 4. What answer will become here? First you multiply both. 4 8 are 32. The answer will be 32. And this 32 you have to write in Roman numerals. इस 32 को आपको किस में लिखना है? Roman numerals में. Then 30. This number you have to take this tens place. Now 3 tens. 3 tens means 3x. We have to make 3x for 30. This number will be 30. And after that 2. 2 के लिए हमको क्या लेना है? 2i. The answer will be 32 in Roman numerals. Now another exercise. 12 plus 12. Now you have to write the answer in Roman numerals. जो इसका आंसर है वो आपको Roman numerals में यहाँ पर देना है. First what we have to do? We add both this number. हम इन दोनों numbers को क्या करेंगे? ऐड करेंगे. 12 plus 12 equal to 24. 12 12 को ऐड किया, the number will be 24. Then this 24 we have to write in Roman numerals. इस 24 को हमको यहाँ पर किस में लिखना है? Roman numerals में. Then 4 20. 20 के लिए what will be write here? 2x. x 10 10 You can see here 10, 10, 20 and this 4, 24. The answer will be 24 in Roman numerals. Another exercise of division, 81 divided by 9. Again you have to write the answer in Roman numerals. हमको आंसर किस में लिखना है? Roman numerals में. First you have to solve this sum. सबसे पहले हमको क्या करना है? इस sum को solve करना है. Then 9 से 81 को divide करेंगे. What answer we will get? 9. Because 9 9s are 81. Then we got the answer 9. Now this 9 we have to write in Roman numerals in the box. ये जो box बना है इस 9 को हमको Roman numerals में लिखना है. Then we take first x 10 और we can subtract I from the right side of this number to make 9. हमको 9 बनाने के लिए x से right side I 1 number को subtract करना है. So we will write the 9 like that. Ix means 9 in Roman numerals. Another exercise of subtraction. 60 minus 10. Write the answer in Roman numerals. आपको इनका आंसर Roman numerals में लिखना है. Again, what will you do first? You solve this sum. सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है? इस sum को solve करना है. Then 60 minus 10. 60 से 10 कम किया. What number we will get here? We will get 50. Then we have to write the 50 in Roman numerals. At previous video I told to you how can we make the Roman numerals and 50 what letters we will write for 50? 50 के लिए कौन सा letter लिखेंगे? L. The answer will be L. L means 50. Now another exercise, combined exercise I have taken. Compare these sum. Compare means always means you have to use the sign. Which sign you have to use? This sign you have to use. If anywhere I ask to you compare this one, you have to use this sign. आपको ये sign use करना है. I write some Roman numerals here. You have to compare that. Now you can see here from the top, ऊपर से देख सकते हो. You have to compare these sums using the signs. इन sign को use करके you have to compare all these sums. First we will convert these Roman numerals in numbers so that we can see what number is written there. क्या नंबर यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है? सबसे पहले हम इसको numbers में convert करके देखते हैं. X I is 10. 10, 20 and 1. The number will be 21 and here is written 32. So which sign you have to use? 21 is less than from 32. We have to put the sign like that towards 32. Now next exercise we can see here. X V I means 10 plus 6. ये 10 नंबर है आपका और ये 6 है. 10 plus 6. The number is 16. नंबर कौन सा है ये 16 एंड हियर व्हाट नंबर इज रिटन 10 plus 9. The number is 19. You can see x for 10, ix means 9, 10 plus 9, 19. Then which number is greater than, you can see here 19 is greater than from 16. So we have to put sign like that. Now another exercise we can see here. First we have to solve this sum. सबसे पहले हमको क्या करना है, इस सम को सॉल्व करना है. तो 6 plus 8 equal to 14. 6 और 8 क्या होगा हमारा 14. Now 10, this is for 10 plus 4. This number is 4. It is also 14. Both side the number is 14. दोनों तरफ नंबर कौन सा है 14. Then we will use the sign of equal. 14 is equal to 14. Again here what I write here, and I means number will be 42. Number क्या होगा हमारा 42. And here we have to put the sign. We can see which sign we have to put there. Now this Roman numeral we have to convert in numbers. इसको पहले हम नंबर में देख लेते हैं कौन सा नंबर लिखा हुआ है 10 10 10. The number is 30. 3x means 30 plus ix means 9. The number is 39. Now you can see here which number is greater. 52 is greater than from 39. So we have to put the sign like that. 52 is and I greater than from x ix means 52 is greater than from 39. Now we can taking another topic, ascending and descending order of Roman numerals. Roman numerals में हमको ascending and descending order we have to see here. I write some here Roman numerals. We have to write these Roman numerals in ascending order. Ascending order. हमको इन रोमन न्यूमरल्स को किस ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है ascending orders. Always you saw that in assembly when you are join the assembly in which order you are standing there. किस ऑर्डर में आप खड़े होते हो. Always you know the smaller number, smaller child will come first, after that greater and greatest height child will go last. सबसे लास्ट में जाता है. So in this order we have to write smaller letter first because we have to write the ascending order. When जब हम कभी ladders के ऊपर जाते हैं then first ladders, after that step by step we go up. So that's why ascending order means the number which is smaller then the number that will come first. जो नंबर सबसे छोटा है वो सबसे पहले आएगा. Then what we have to do here, we have to do first numbering. हम सबसे पहले यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे नंबरिंग कर लेंगे अपने नंबर्स की कि कौन सा नंबर पहले पे आएगा, कौन सा बाद में आएगा, कौन सा सबसे लास्ट आएगा. Then we can see here which number value is very less. सबसे छोटा हमारा रोमन न्यूमरल्स यहाँ पे कौन सा है. We can see this is for 7, 6, 10, 11 and 4. This number is 4. So we can write this Roman numeral first number. So we are doing numbering first. सबसे पहले हम numbering कर लेंगे. Then 4 से बड़ा हमारा नंबर कौन है 6. सेकेंड नंबर पे हमारा 6 आएगा. Then 7, 6 से ज़्यादा कौन है 7. That number will come on third place. And after that 4 number 10 will come on 4 number and 11 will come on 5 number. The first number पे कौन है. Now we are writing this number in ascending order. First number पे कौन था हमारा 7. Now 4. 4 number पे कौन है हमारा? X for 10. Now 5 number is last. 11. We will write at last. Placing करने से, numbering करने से we can see easily which number is smaller, which number is greater, and we can write easily this number in ascending orders. Now 4, 6, 7, 10 and 11. Another example I am taking here of ascending order. Ascending order का एक दूसरा example भी यहाँ पर मैं ले रही हूँ. You can see it very carefully. 2x in which order we have to write these Roman numerals? Ascending order. किस order में हमें Roman numerals को लिखना है? Ascending order में. Now सबसे पहले हमको क्या कर लेना है? यहीं पे हम नंबरिंग कर लेंगे. Which number will come first? We have to write the first number. After that, we can place in all the numbers. So you can see we have to write in ascending order. Smaller numeral will come first. सबसे पहले कौन आएगा? Smaller numeral. So which is the smaller numeral? You can see here. This is 20. This is 19, 50, 12. And 15. This is 20, 19, 50, 12 and 15. I write these Roman numerals in numbers. You can see this is the smaller, this one is smaller. The number will come first, 12, then we will write this number first. After that is 15. 12 से बड़ा कौन है? 15. X, B. Then 19. Then 20. Then 50. You can write these Roman numerals easily in ascending order. I hope student you will understood it